Welcome back. So in this video we'll be looking at how to order from JTMM Store. So you can always search for the product. You can type it on the search bar there. So let's say maybe you locate a particular product that you want to order. So let me just check any product here. So let's say you want to order this watch here. So you're going to click on it. So you're going to come to product introduction. So this is where you are going to get all the information concerning this product. So you can see this particular watch here. It can monitor your sleep rate, it can monitor your footsteps, it can monitor your blood pressure, and then it is also beautiful. So once you click the product introduction, all the details will be there for you. They say it a business port smartwatch. Okay, so you can see it can Bluetooth, you can use a Bluetooth voice call. These are the features, just like the landing page of this whole watch is already built here. So it can play music, it can check the weather, body temperature, and sync other app, can connect with your iPhone, can check for your abnormal temperature. As you can see there, thin and tough HD large screen. These are the features here. You can see the sports part of it. So you're just going to go through it. They say timing measurement, that is your working timing, and then you can just go through all the information. If you're satisfied, you can click buy now here. So you are going to come over here. So you can see these are the categories available. We have the green, we have the black, and we have the orange color. So from here you can select the type that you want. So let's say I want to order for the black, so I'm going to click on the black, and then here you can select the quantity you want to order. The pieces, the plus sign is to add, while the minus is to reduce. So after clicking there, you come down here and then you're going to click on confirm. So once you click on the confirm button, it will take you to the next page. But let's say you want to buy many products, not just only this one. So you're going to check another product and then you click on add to cart. So let's say you are buying many of them, so you click add to cart, and then from here you are still going to select the just like we did the same time, and then you see click confirm. You can see added successful. So you now go back. So let's say I still need another additional product. So maybe I want to buy this mouse now. I'm still going to click on it, and then if I come here and want to see more information, I'll click the product introduction. So if I click the product introduction, it's going to load up and then open this page to show me more details about the mouse. I have a silent click. This one didn't make noise. A free adjustment DPI, rechargeable battery, slim and compact equipment, quiet and durable click, ultra weighty rechargeable mouse, for free adjustment. So you click add to cart. So when you click add to cart, you are still going to select from here. We have silver, we have meaty black, and then we have the other color. So added successful. So here, so let's say I still want to continue shopping this net. I click on it and then I come to product introduction. Please note that it's product introduction, not product details. Product introduction. So when you click on it, it is going to load up and then it will show you more details. Portable mosquito net, free installation, high quality. You can see all the other things here. Display. This is just how you are going to buy it, and then it will look exactly. So if I want to order, still add to cart, and then this one is only white color that they have. So I'm just going to select the quantity if I want, and then add successful. So now let's say this is up to 3 products that we have added successful. So I will come back to my cart. So I'm going to check out the order now. These are all the products I have chosen. I have chosen the mosquito net. I can see the last one up there, and then I'm choosing the silent mouse and then this smartwatch here. So I'm going to click down here to check out the order, in case I want to proceed and then complete the order. But let's say maybe I feel inconvenient with any of them, or maybe my budget is much than what I'm having down here. So I'm just going to locate the delete button up there. You can see it beside each and every product. So if I want to delete, I'm going to remove that one away, and then I will be left with this one. So from here I'm going to come down, and then you can see the quantity here. I can still reduce from here, you understand, based on my budget. I'll be looking at the budget down here. Very good. So let's say we want to continue, and here I'm going to fill the information. However, I will be filling this information because my personal information is already saved, so I'll be using someone's information to fill here. So just to take you through, and this is a customer in Abuja. I'll fill it up here based on what they give me here on my sheet. So they say they are living Tinubu Street, Abuja. That is their delivery address. Like for this particular one, somebody, I received this order from someone, and then I want to forward it from here just direct to them, so they're going to ship it directly to this address. That is another amazing thing on this site. So you can actually put their person's information, and then it will be sent to them directly, instead of you delaying you or whatever, spending your transport for the address. You can ship from China directly to that person's address. All you need to do is just collect your percentage, and that is all. So I'm going to select from here Abuja, that is north central part of Nigeria, and then I'm going to select their street as well. So phone number, I'm still going to put their phone number. Remember, this is order that you are placing for somebody. Let's say you run Facebook advert, and then somebody give you the contacts, give you their delivery address. So you're going to put it like this, and then they are going to ship straight to their office address, or maybe their home address, instead of saying you should handle the stress of calling delivery dispatch rider or so ever. So just enter the person's phone number instead of your own phone number. But if this is an order that you are placing for yourself, you can actually put your own phone number and your own details. So this is this. But remember, I'm covering this number in case of security reasons. So the postcode here is about 900-108. So you can always Google the postal code. Even if the person didn't know their postal code, you can Google the postal code of their city. So you add, and then you come down to continue to pay. So under this continue to pay, you are still going to see the total of what you are ordering at the right hand corner here. So you can check. So now another thing you need to know here is that they say Nigerian cannot pay more than this, but you can actually use two cards, or you use PayPal account. So from here you're going to select here, and then they are going to give you the other option: Visa card, MasterCard. MMP is not available here, so it's either PayPal. So in one of the video, I'm going to show you people how to create a PayPal account, and then you're going to put it here. In case you are buying what is more than your bank card, that is about more than $100 transaction. So but if you are yet to create a PayPal account and you still want to order, you can actually separate the order, and then use two different cards to pay. So you can see very well on at this very page, you can check the money here. It is about 100 and something dollars, and once it is 100 and something, we can't pay this kind of amount. So this is where most of you people will have question, and then I want to explain here briefly. Just pay attention. So it's either you use two cards, as I said earlier, or you are actually going to split the order, use two cards, or you are going to use the PayPal. So from here you will choose PayPal instead. So they will give you the PayPal, you will put the PayPal ID, and then you pay. Or still you can reach me on WhatsApp, and then I will find a way out for you. So after that, you click continue. Once you click on confirm, it is going to give you all the review of what you have done. Your address is there, your billing address is there, your delivery method which you have selected is there. So you can see modify, the blue modify. So if you want to change anything, you can click modify and then modify it. But if you are okay with this, you click continue, and then it will take you here. So from here, you're going to put your card details. You're going to add your card details to pay. Okay. So the card number, you put the long card on your bank card. Card holder's name, you're going to put the name on your card. Expiry date, you put it there. So you fill the CVV. The CVV is that 3 digit at the back of your card. So I'm going to cover my own. I'm going to cover what I'm filling. Okay, let me just fill some random figures here. We're going to see. So card holder is that name on your own bank card. So the month, you come down to the expiry date here. So you're going to select the month and the year. The month and the year. So let me select let's say this year here, and then the CVV. You can see, as I indicate here, the 3 digit at the back of your card, the card number, that is the one that is long, about 16 or to 18 there, about depending. Expiry date normally at the bottom right corner of the card, depending on the type of card you are using. So you can take a look at all the labels I have illustrated here, so that you won't get frustrated, or maybe you won't get confused. So after that, I'm going to show you how to track your orders after you have placed them. So when you log in, just come. So once you are in, just come down to account. So you're going to click on the account, just like 1688. So when you click on the account there, up here you're going to see these 4 very important order level. So the first you see unpaid. Unpaid are the orders that you already processed, you have added to cart, you have checked out, but you are yet to pay them. And then you have to be shipped. To be shipped are the orders that you have paid for them already, but they are yet to be moved. Maybe the supplier is yet to confirm. And then the shipped is the one that is already on the transit, the one that is already on its way to Nigeria. And then the completed is after the order you have received, then it will be under towards completed orders. So you're going to click on that shipped, where your product is currently there. That is your order we just did now. So once you click on it, you're going to come over here, and then you're going to see. So once you click here, you're going to see the information. Click logistic information, and then you're going to see all the details information about your order. So you can see from here, you can also check the date on the 31st of this month. The flights have takeoff, and then the parcel is not yet left the warehouse. It's no longer, the thing is not yet to be there. So you can always come back here to check the status of the order, so that you know exactly what is going on with the order, so that you will know what is going on. So always check the details inside. And they say the flight takeoff from Hong Kong. That is the Chinese edition. The order we did there was a HK goods that normally pass Hong Kong, and not GZ.